Finna go holler at Obama, man. We go see Obama. I've been
Been in?
yeah.
When you got out?
Maybe a year now. Maybe.
Good. Far? Everything good? Family's okay?
No. Well, yeah, family's okay. Hey, you
Family's okay except for you
Where you at, Mom? Yep. Let me talk to you, man.
Talk to me.
Come here, Obama.
Talk to me. I'm here. I'll call you.
Okay.
Talk to me.
Whatever you want to give me.
You got a drink? No? You don't want it?
No, I don't like this shit.
What do you need? Grab some.
You serious? Man, thank you, Obama.
No problem. I'll give you water. You don't like it? You like it, get it. Right? You want water or a soda?
Oh, soda. You have honey bun?
Honey buns? No honey buns. You know, we have this one. No honey buns. You know, in this case, they will have this one here too. You don't like pure flour? You don't like this? You don't like this? That too? You're Superman. That too.
Thank you, man.
You want a water or a soda? You want juice or you want cola?
I want a soda.
Cola? So cola? Got a cola for you. How about a cola? How about
No, I don't like cola. Yeah, fruit punch.
Okay, Sean. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, give me one more, Obama, man. One more. Grab it.
Sorry.
Thank you. So thank you. I appreciate you, bro.
No problem.
I'll come
It's
back
okay.
and see you, man.
No problem. Don't forget your belongings. You're a good man.
You good man, man.
No. You're a good man. Yes, $340. Let me show those. Ya, muy caro esta. Verduras muy caro. Okay, Sean.
All right.
Man.
I forgot his name. Obama too.
Yeah.
All right.
One
Bardina. All right.
Okay, Gardena.
Today's lesson of the day, man. We need to support black businesses. See, I just came out from jail. Obama just looked out for me, gave me some food off of GP. Support black businesses, man. Thanks for looking out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Wiggins!